Good afternoon, everyone. This is Altcoin Adam, and welcome to the show. Today is August 29th, and we're going to talk a few different topics. The very first topic to speak of is actually that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. These videos that I promote are for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. So, that being said, the very first article to cover is Grayscale's ruling. So essentially, the U.S. court ordered the SEC to vacate its rejection of Grayscale's bid to convert its Bitcoin trust into an ETF. So this happened this morning, and essentially everything's pumping close to 10%. I think Bitcoin's closer to about 7%, which is still great. Um, so Bitcoin gained more than 7%, topping 28,000 at one point today. And this was after the Federal Appeals Court ruled that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission must review its rejection of Grayscale Investments' attempt to convert its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, into an ETF. So, due to this news, GBTC is actually 17% higher, which is narrowing the discount to net asset value from 25% to 17%. As traders place bets that the ruling could pave the way for an ETF conversion that would entirely eliminate the discount. So, good news overall for the markets. Everything's been pretty green in the market today, which is great. Everything's up. Don't see that every day, so it's definitely a great day to be in crypto. So, this is actually the uh, similar article, but this is regarding Coinbase. So Coinbase actually soars 15% following Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF win against the SEC. Investors have reasoned what's good for Bitcoin ETF applicants could be great for Coinbase and its bottom line. So Coinbase's stock today soared following news that the federal judge had sided with Grayscale in its SEC lawsuit. So it's actually up more than 15% in the past day. It's now trading at about 85.13. America's largest digital asset exchange, Coinbase, has been publicly traded company on the Nasdaq since 2001. So it's been around for a little bit, and a federal court said today that the U.S. SEC lacked a coherent explanation for denying Grayscale's application to convert its Bitcoin trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF. The ruling, which investors have interpreted as a win for the cryptocurrency industry, means that a Bitcoin ETF could soon be available on Wall Street. So this is actually great news for crypto, Coinbase, the financial markets, everyone, I think. This is just great news, and we're going in the right direction. We are end of August, so I'm curious to how September will play out because usually Septembers are historically red. So the next thing is great for crypto as well. So Twitter, or now known as X, awarded currency transmitter license in Rhode Island. So that's some great information, or a great change that's coming. So in a landmark decision by Rhode Island regulators, X, formerly known as Twitter, has received a currency transmitter license. This was confirmed by the nationwide multi-state licensing system (NMLS) on August 28th. So the pivotal move is a significant indicator of the social media giant's intent to become a formidable player in the financial services sector, focusing particularly on cryptocurrencies. So, with them obtaining this license, they are now able to store, transfer, and trade Bitcoin and crypto. So this is probably one of the biggest things, just because the sheer volume of people on Twitter, this is quite big. So Rhode Island officially approved a license requested by Twitter Payments LLC, X's payment branch, to be able to store, transfer, and exchange Bitcoin and other digital assets on behalf of its user. This is quite the world we're coming into. Everything's been red, raise of interest rates, things that are quite negative. I think this is some positivity we all needed in the market. So I'm very intrigued and excited for X and to see what happens in the coming months. So Binance mulls full exit from Russia as it fights allegations abroad. So right now, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange said Monday it was weighing options to leave Russia and has restricted trading pairs to the ruble only. So they're only trading in Russia's currency as of right now, but it seems like they may actually complete a full exit on this. So they're considering abandoning Russia's domestic market as it attempts to navigate ongoing regulatory headwinds and compliance in the US and abroad. So they are tackling multiple lawsuits with US regulators. And, on the table now is leaving Russia completely. I wonder if this has to do with the US, and basically, if they do that, maybe they'll get some leniency. I'm honestly not 100% sure, but we'll see what happens in the next few months. The last thing I just wanted to cover was Nvidia stock. So, earlier, what was it, last week? Nvidia's Q2's reportings came out, and it was another record earnings. They beat their targets, and after hours, I think it was over like 515, 520, like it went pretty high. And then all those gains within about a 24-hour period were lost. It was back down to whatever, 460 or something like that. Just curious, Nvidia price. Let's see what that is right now. So it's 487.84. Um, wow, up 4% today. So that's pretty good. Um, yeah, this is interesting just because the AI is booming right now. However, what I hear is yes, Nvidia has had some record-breaking quarters. However, there's other companies that are also developing, similar chips, and essentially they price the market out. The market prices everything out 6 to 12 months in advance, and in the next 6 to 12 months, we could actually see, new chip manufacturers come out with, similar quality, and from that, Nvidia may not see all-time highs again. Once there's so many different actual companies coming out with the same chips, the value is going to go down. That being said, we don't really know what's going to happen the next few years. My anticipation is we may get one more rate increase and then see some quantitative easing as well as rate cuts. Now, rate cuts may not actually happen until Q1, Q2 of 2024, but anything's possible. It's take it day by day and make your best educated decisions. So, that's all I really wanted to cover on my channel for this video today. Once again, follow me on Twitter at altcoinadam2140. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.